For the paperclip rings, I use the 28mm regular size paperclip. You need a round form, so a marker or a ring cone, and your tools. If you don't have paper clips, the best thing to use is stainless steel wire. This is 20 gauge. It's quite stiff, just like the paper clips. You can use 20 gauge tarnish resistant brass, tinned copper, or any half hard wire. And if you only have a softer wire, use a little thicker, like 18 gauge. We always start with opening up the paperclip with our flat pliers. You can do this by hand, but it's easier to do with the pliers. So just go slowly and pinch it along as you go. You just want to get it as straight as you can. So for the lips, we're going to bend it at about 3/8 of an inch. And then we'll form the bottom of the lips, so bend it down and around and up and out. We're going to hold these together and bend it over that way. And then just take the round pliers and go down, up, down, and then bend it out to the side. It's very stylized. It doesn't have to be perfect. Hold this if you want to just curve it out a bit to start. Take your round pliers, bring it all the way around. You can try the ring on to see about what size you want. And if you want a cleaner ring, just cut one bit off. So at about the place you want it to finish, hold it and just bend it back and forth and it'll snap off. And then you can bend this out a little bit more to make it more curved. Adjust this a bit so they just finish flush like that. And there you have your super cute and simple lips ring.